Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to install Microsoft Store in laptop HP Dell. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator and click Yes to access the terminal. Once you do it, execute the command on the screen that we leave you in the video description. Press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for this command to finish. Now you can check that the store is available to use. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.